Welcome to the 10-question English spelling quiz. For each question, select the correct spelling of the spoken word. Quiet, quiet. Quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Orange, orange. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone, X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Village, village. Village, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Number, number. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Letter, letter. Letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. Shovel, shovel. Shovel, S-H-O-V-E-L, shovel. Hammer, hammer. Hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Thank you for watching.